Alright guys, so the Sensex Expiry, I wanted to do the video in a little more different fashion. So you would have seen in the last 4 days how I take my entries, what is the thought process at around what time I take entries and all that. Now today I would like to discuss the in and around of how I adjusted and how I managed the Sensex position. So today compared to last 4 days was a much more calmer and much more easier day if you see from the perspective of a non-directional seller. So let's go to the Sensex chart. So as you can see, Sensex had already formed a base of around 72,700 levels by the time we took entries. So after we took entries, obviously after the formation of base, we'll always wait for the formation of base, be it 10 a.m, 10:20, 10:30 or 10:45. It depends on your perception of when you see the base is getting formed. So once I saw this base is getting formed, I took entries at 72,300 and 73,400. And after that I just needed to adjust it to one strike, which is 73,300, and puts I adjusted to 72,400, and that's it. Only very few orders you can find in today's order book. And if you see the positions, most of the options have decayed and we are close to around 32,000 rupees, which is pretty good given how non-directional trading has been tough for the last 1 week. This was pretty good. Ever since I decided I'll be doing a video series wherein I'll try to record my trades and explain to you people how to make profits by trading non-directional option selling. It was a wild ride, and remained honest and truthful to whatever I recorded. I did not shy away in recording the loss days which I had to incur. If you see, out of all the 5 days, 2 days, that is Monday as well as Wednesday, we had to take a good amount of losses, and those days are outlier days. If you look at the charts, it was going up a lot and then coming down a lot, or either I think in the case of bankers it had crashed down a lot and then tried a reversal sort of. So those are days you are bound to take losses. You are trading every day, each and every day you're coming to market and trading the same plan, so there'll always be days wherein you'll have to take losses. And especially non-directional trading can never hold off when the market moves very violently in both directions. So yeah, that is that, and I've shown you as well how to manage the other days. Just like today, when there was no much of the movement, we could make back much of the amount we lost. And on the other days as well, when there is decent movement and decent premium, we were able to manage. We were able to come out on top during Tuesday, which was for Nifty expiry, and as well as Thursday. None of those days were extremely easy compared to all 5 days. I mean, if you compare the all 5 days, I think today, that is Friday, was the easiest one. It is still not yet over, 1 more hour to go, so I would just take the liberty of already declaring that it's going to be easy and less violent. So anyway, none of the days were that easy, but this was the perfect mix for such a course also, right? So if you're looking to learn something, it's always better to learn at the extremes. It's always better to learn when the things are not according to your favor. So that is when you have the maximum amount of learning, and that is when I can also impart, as a course provider, I can also impart maximum knowledge and confidence to you people that if you can survive days like this or weeks like this, you can anyway thrive in the market. So I think close to around minus 20 or minus 25 will be closing the week, but then that's okay. We have stayed true to our plans. We have come to the market each and every day. We have shown up and we have traded the same plan each and every day throughout the day, each and every day throughout the week. So that matters when you trade for a long term. If you are in this for a long term, so you'll have to trade the same plan, same setup, day in and day out, and there will be days where you can get back whatever you have lost on the difficult times. So with this, I think you would have got a pretty decent idea about how to manage non-directional trades and how to go about non-directional option selling. With that, I would like to say that this is never a concrete sort of course. This was just a doorway or a gateway, so to say, to see how non-directional trades can be managed and how we come on top on the market on favorable days, and how also to limit the losses on unfavorable days. So if you see, both of the times whenever the day was very unfavorable for us, we had exited out around 40,000 rupees. So that is the kind of risk management that we have to do. We shouldn't go around and take something we shouldn't go around and take some losses which uh, puts a big dent on our account curve, right? So there are two things: how to come on top, how to come green on a favorable day like this. So and other thing is to how to limit your losses when the day is very unfavorable and things are not at all going as per your plans. So those who wish to pursue more about non-directional trading, and those who wish to get more sort of one-on-one training or personal training, wherein you can join with me each and every day to learn live, and you can see my positions, how I manage my positions. You can get all the live updates where you can really learn the crux of non-directional selling and the management of trades. You can always reach out to this number. We'll be offering one-on-one coaching and one-on-one course providing. We'll be offering one-on-one coaching wherein all the attention would be for knowledge imparting and you to manage the trades on your own. So we'll be doing that as well. If at all you found this series of videos useful, and if at all you find that I'm truthful and honest in whatever I do, you can always reach out to me. We'll try our level best to make you a master in terms of non-directional trading. So with this I think we'll pretty much sum up for the week, and we'll be ending somewhere close to around 33,000 if it doesn't go haywire from here. And I hope almost 230, and premiums have already decayed. It's 4 and 3 rupees. I think we should be able to manage. So yeah, that's it, and do reach out to me if you require any more assistance, and if you are willing to learn more on this regard. Take care. Bye bye.